Hi, I am Mabish Aziz, and I was a part of batch 57 of ICCA. And it was probably my first culinary experience. However, I've been a baker since I was 11, and having a British background from my grandparents' side, it's always been in my system to bake. But ICCA really molded it and really gave face to that baker and that chef in me. And I had a great time here. I was here for about 5 months. I did all the courses, and it was a great experience. And I made some great friends here, so that was amazing, which is why I'm back here after 3 years to just meet everybody. And what I would just like to tell everyone is that when I was here, we were here at a time where there weren't a lot of competitions and not a lot of events that were going on, so we missed out on those. So one thing that you should keep in mind is that all the batches get to experience the events and get as much exposure as they can. A lot of my friends are working in the industry right now, and they're doing a great job. I have gone back to my own country and opened up a bakery, and it's doing fairly well. And it's a great opportunity for people to kind of just try and test, because they have classes as well. So if they enjoy it, they can get into it full time and do all the courses and keep coming back, because the chefs are very accessible. Like, I'm still very friendly with Chef Ashwini, and keep on taking tips and advice from him. So it's a great platform for one to start their journey off, and they really accommodate you well. So that's what my closing would be.